E Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you another trick for Minecraft Cave. So let's start the video. All you gotta need is iron bars, any slab, of course your Enderman spawner, any block. Now let's start. So just put the slab just what I'm doing, like this, and then the iron bars, like this. Just do what I do to do the trick. Just let me finish. That's the second. I'm doing the third. Jeez. Now, the third layer is finished. Now, put the block like what I do, and then crash that. Then put the ender right here. Then it will not teleport anymore. Look at that. It's nice, right? Wait. Let me sleep. Let him sleep, okay. Now, let's back to the video. As you can see, the Enderman is not teleporting. You can use this on your house, decoration, creative or survival. Then, thanks for watching guys, hope you like it, and don't forget to leave a like. Goodbye.